Hi, I'm Amy Hluchyj. Welcome to my latest listing. I'm here at 7 Sirente Drive, Unit 11 on Hamilton's East Mountain. This 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom freehold townhouse offers over 1,200 square feet of living space with some awesome upgrades. It's located in a desirable area, but before we go exploring, let's check out the house. To start off, we have this covered front porch, which leads into an oversized foyer with double closet. You'll find the powder room, access from the single car garage, which is wired to charge an electric vehicle, along with laundry and utility room. Upstairs is where all the fun begins. You have the dining area, living area, and work from home space, all with solid oak hardwood flooring. Plus, the heart of the home, the kitchen. You have this 8-foot wet island, seating for 4, plus plenty of space for all your home-cooked meals. With all newer appliances, you could become a pizza aficionado. And don't worry about making a mess. The dishwasher's got your back. And let's not forget the balcony. On the top level, you'll find the primary bedroom, which has ensuite privilege, walk-in closet, and this awesome window seat, plus the second bedroom. Getting back to the location, you'll find plenty of parks, including TB McQuestion, which is full of fun for the entire family. You have plenty of shopping, including Lime Ridge Mall, and quick highway access. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this great home. If you have any questions or would like to book a private showing, please contact me today. Who knows, you could be walking in to your new home. I'm Amy Hluchyj. Thanks for watching. Whew. So, I may not be a pizza chef, but I sure can sell a house.